Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pronounce the ED sound on the end of words. The pronunciation of ED at the end of a word in English depends on the sound, not the letter, that comes before the ED. There are three main ways to pronounce ED. T, D, id. Here's how it works. I will give you examples of each. Pronounced as t. When the base word ends in a voiceless sound, the ED is pronounced t. These are sounds that you don't use your voice to make, like p, k, f, s, sh, ch. Let's take a look at some examples of words like this. Remember, the ED is pronounced as t. Helped, 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 helped. He helped me. Kicked, 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 kicked. The horse kicked the bucket. Laughed, 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 laughed. She just laughed. Danced, 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 danced. They danced all night. Washed, 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 washed. I washed the dishes. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Now let's look at words pronounced as d. When the base word ends in a voiced sound, except for d, the ED is pronounced as d. Examples of voiced sounds are b, g, v, z, m, n, l, and all the vowel sounds. Here are some examples. Played, 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 played. The boy played outside. Cleaned, 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 cleaned. He cleaned his room. Called, 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 called. I called my mom. Loved, 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 loved. They loved the movie. carried, 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 carried. He carried the baby. It would be super helpful if you subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload new videos. Keep learning English with me. Now let's take a look when the ed is pronounced as id. When the base word ends in t or d, you must add a full extra syllable, and the ed is pronounced as id or ed. Let's take a look at some examples. Wanted, 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 wanted. He wanted more. Needed, 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 needed. I needed more time. Started, 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 started. The driver started the car. Ended, 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 ended. The show ended early. Decided, 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 decided. They decided to buy it. Just remember, if the base word ends in a t or a d, the sound will be id. If it ends in a voiceless sound, that is not a t, the sound will be t. Otherwise, the voiced sounds will sound like d. I made this video at the request of one of my members. Do you want a video made that you request? Check this out and become a member now. I have now added memberships to my YouTube channel. You can access really cool perks that I will give you if you become a member, such as special loyalty badges and emojis. You can also see shorts that are exclusive for members. If you're a member, you will also see my videos before they are released to the public. There are also special things you can get, like special shout-outs to you on my videos and priority replies to your comments. You can also see members-only live streams, and I will post exclusive polls for members only. If you would like to become a member, click down below to join. Thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. You guys are the best. See you soon. Let's take a mini quiz and see how much you understand this. I will show you the word. Guess which sound the ed will be. Let's begin. B. T. Jumped. Jumped. Jumped ends in a voiceless sound. Jumped. B. Id. needed, needed. C, d. Cried ends in a vowel sound. Cried, cried. A, t. Washed ends in a sh, which is a voiceless sound. Washed, washed. B, id. Decided ends in a d. Decided, decided. I hope this video helps you better understand how to pronounce the ed sound at the end of words. Have a super day, and I'll see you on the next video. You're so smart. Ciao, my favorite babanitos.